Look, I'm betting on the fact that it's going to be hotels. I think OTAs have had a great run. They provide some really excellent services for a lot of people. However, having used our own products and used AI to select where I'm staying here while I'm at ITB, I can tell you the experience using an AI powered by real accurate data from a company like DirectBooker, light years ahead. Unbelievably different. Would never go back. Yeah, so I think there's two approaches here, and honestly, they have to do both. The first is what the world is calling agentic engine optimization, or generative engine optimization. Make sure your data is easily crawlable by these new systems, easily visible, well structured. Lots of people out there to tell you how to do that. The second thing is you want to make sure whoever it is that's putting your prices and hotel information online, and especially prices, availability, inventory, they're also pushing it directly somehow into these AI systems. Hopefully your PMS is doing it, somebody in your system is doing it. Many of them are starting to work with DirectBooker to make sure that that information in a consolidated fashion can show up in these AI engines. So look, I think it's scary when you mash a big button that says book it for me when you haven't seen a confirmation page on the hotel's own website. There's some robot running off and doing this job for you. You've armed them with your credit card and they're about to spend maybe several $1,000s. I think that in the short term, what we should expect is the research to happen on the AI, the integration to happen on the AI. For that final checkout, I think people may want to actually land on a page. Oh, lots of stuff. So I am going to cross my fingers where we'll be live on all of the major AI engines. Users will be able to easily see the experience that they're going to have using AI to book, and they'll get a little taste of the future and where things are actually going. Look, I think there's a bunch of stuff that still has to happen on the AI engine side to make this stuff really easy and discoverable and natural and straightforward. But all those people are moving so fast that I think it's going to be great.